Pinush mo ba yan kahapon?
No.
Ay, hindi naman siya masyadong ginamit, no? Hi vlog, this is our last day in Sydney today. We're going home shortly, a bit later. But we cannot go to Sydney without going to Circular Quay, so here we are.
And the Opera House and the Harbour Bridge.
Yes. So yeah, I haven't been here for ages. Dito pala tayo nung vivid Sydney natin.
Yeah.
Ooh, smells like cheese. Babalik pa tayo para bumili ng corn dog mamaya.
I don't know. Parang hindi ko feel.
Hindi mo feel? Okay. Probably because we eat too much. Nice. Malamig ah. Saan ba tayo? Dito or doon?
We can go, if we go this way, we can see the
Harbour?
Opera House.
Opera House, ah.
No, the Darling Harbour is just there. You ready? You ready? Hmm? Are you ready? There it is.
There it is. Nice. I'll just take out my camera.
Ah.
Sige.
Picture tayo. Dito maganda mag-picture, oh. Kasi walang tao.
Sama ko.
Okay.
Now, take picture.
Kita ba? Yung Darling Harbour. Kita?
Medyo lang naman. Ang ganda. Ayan, dito. Ako nga. Yeah.
One, two, three. One, two, three. Kita yung ferry. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo.
Ang ganda.
Kita yung ferry kasi sikat yung ferry na yan eh.
Okay, sige. Gusto mo ganun din?
Ay, hindi ba kita yung ferry ah?
Kita
Kita
din.
naman. Itago, dito ako sa gitna para hindi kita yung...
Sige.
Kita mo yun?
Sige.
Tinago ko yung sayo eh. Hawakan mo to.
Okay.
Ilagay mo dito.
May hilo na yung mga tao din sa ano mo. Okay. Ha? Itatago ko ba yung phone? Oo. Oo, yung Paul. Oo. Tago ko. Oo. 1, 2, 3. Smile. That looks good. One more. Gusto mo nasa gitna ka? Sige. Nice.
Ah, nice.
Want me to take a picture for both of you?
Oh, that'd be lovely.
Sure,
Thank you.
sure. Thank you.
Thanks for that.
You want to be in the middle or
Yeah.
side?
In the middle with the bridge.
In the middle, please.
You have to press halfway to
Oh,
focus.
just press and focus.
Yeah, but the focus, if I want to focus with you and then
Just one press. Yeah.
like that. Say cheese.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Check out how it's done.
Oh, that looks so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Saan na tayo? Opera
Oh,
House.
ang ganda!
Ay, wow! I think she's a photographer. She have a Leica.
Ah,
You see her
okay.
bag? You see her...
Oo. Kaya siguro nag-offer siya, no? Ang ganda.
Where are we?
May picture na
Di
tayo
ba?
dalawa.
Perfect yung view na to, di ba? Kasi walang...
Anong tao?
Tapos your camera is good.
Nice! Okay.
We go to the opera house. We can go this way para kita yung view ng opera house.
Ah, sige.
Gets mo? Pag malayo
Gets.
is better. Gets mo? Nice.
Ay, nasa yung tubig ko. Sakto sa jacket mo lang. It's really good.
To Cockatoo Island, stopping at Balmain, Birchburg, Greenwich Point, Woolwich,
Yeah.
Cockatoo Island.
Look at the seaplane. Noise. Oh my god. Where?